Hi guys, my name is John and today we're going to be rebuilding the Kraken rebuildable Genesis atomizer. For this we're going to need some 28 gauge Kanthal for this particular build, some 3mm silica, a screwdriver, Phillips head, a pair of scissors, stainless steel cable, 3mm eco wool, and a set of tweezers. So we're going to need a cup of water, cold water, and a blowtorch. For this build, we're gonna cut a 1.5 inch piece of stainless steel cable, 2 inches of 3mm eco wool, 6 inches of 28 gauge Kanthal, and then the first step we're gonna do is we're going to torch our stainless steel cable to build up a carbon layer for the wicking. Then we're going to cut a 1/4 inch off of the 2 inches of eco wool that we cut, place a hole in it, and thread it over the stainless steel cable. After that, we're going to wrap our coils around the eco wool about 7 to 8 times, and then we're going to insert our coil setup into the atomizer, screw it all down, give it a test fire, juice it up, and vape it. First step, we're going to take some stainless steel cable about 2 mils wide, and we're going to torch it. We're going to torch it till it starts glowing red so that you can build up a carbon layer on the outside of it. Then you want to immerse it in water. So as we immerse it into the water to cool it down, we pull it out and it should be black. Now you have a carbon layer built up, so that way it helps the wicking. The next thing you want to do is take your eco wool and take a Phillips head screwdriver or anything that you can get so that you can open up your eco wool, create a hole. And then you have a nice little channel for your stainless steel wire. I'm going to take your wire and as gently as possible insert your cable into the eco wool. Take your scissors and cut it. There will be a little fraying on the edges. That's normal. Alright, so after you have your stainless steel cable inserted into your eco wool, you want to torch your eco wool. Let it cool down a bit so you don't burn your hands. And then we're going to take our 6 to 8 inches of 26 gauge Kanthal and start wrapping it around our coil setup. And you want to wrap tight but not too tight, so that you don't cut off the juice flow. And you should have something that looks like a standard coil from any other rebuildable dripping atomizer or a rebuildable tank atomizer. Pull it tight and you have a coil. To expose the bottom of your stainless steel cable and insert it into your atomizer. Insert it to where it's at least halfway down into your tank. And take your scissors clip the ends. The outside. And we'll do some more of that. Wrap our wire. Then you want to take your wire, wrap once around the positive post, and then once wrap around the negative. Then screw everything down. Now you can clean up your wick by using a set of nail clippers. If you don't have nail clippers, you can use scissors. You just want to clip the ends so that they don't interfere with your O-rings. And also, while you're doing that, you can clip your leads. Once everything's all cleaned up and you have your leads trimmed and your coils are all in place and your wicks are all in place, just give it a nice little test fire until your coils glow evenly throughout, like so. If you get any hot spots, any coils that glow unevenly, just pull it down or pull it up to make your coils even, and that will reduce your hot spots. And once your coils are all even, give it another test fire, and they should all glow nice and evenly. Next step, we're gonna juice it up, see how it vapes. Put a little on your coil, just to get the wicking started, and then fill your tank up. You should be ready to vape. Give it a nice little test fire. Make sure you're getting some vapor production. Nice cool vape. Give it a test fire, make sure you get a little bit of vapor off of there. This will be a nice cool vape, not too much, not too hot. And then throw your cap on, give it a shot. It's a nice, cool summertime vape. All right, that's it. My name's John, and thanks for watching.